If you have ever wondered how ServiceNow stores data behind the scenes, like incidents, users, or changes, this video is for you. Today I'll explain ServiceNow Data Model basics in a very simple way, no technical jargon. By the end, you will clearly understand tables, records, fields, and relationships. Let's start with a basic question. What is a data model? A data model is simply how data is structured, stored, and connected in ServiceNow. Think of it like an Excel file. You have sheets, columns, and rows. ServiceNow works in a very similar way. In ServiceNow, data is stored inside tables. A table is like an Excel sheet. For example, incident table, user table, change table. Each table stores a specific type of data. Inside a table, each row is called a record. Every incident you see here, each one is a record. So table is like an Excel sheet and each record is one row. Now let's talk about fields. Fields are the columns in the table. Things like number, short description, state, assigned to. All of these are fields that store individual pieces of information. Here's where ServiceNow becomes powerful. Tables don't work alone. They are connected to each other. For example, look at the assigned to field. This field does not store a name directly. It points to the user table. This is called a reference relationship. Simple explanation line, very effective. Instead of duplicating data, ServiceNow links tables together. ServiceNow also uses something called table inheritance. There is a parent table called task. Tables like incident, change, problem are child tables of task. This means they automatically inherit common fields like number, state, assigned to. Every record in ServiceNow has a unique ID called sys_ID. Users see the incident number, but ServiceNow internally tracks records using sys_ID. This helps ServiceNow link data accurately across tables. Understanding the data model helps you write better scripts, build reports, create relationships, debug issues faster. If you understand tables and relationships, ServiceNow becomes much easier. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.